Good afternoon. Here's a quick update on the latest market development across major currency pairs and key commodities. So first, let's start with USD JPY. The US dollar slipped on Tuesday after weak job data and a drop in consumer confidence. It tried to bounce back, but ongoing trade uncertainty kept gains limited. The Japanese yen also lost a bit of ground as markets expect weak economic numbers from Japan and no changes from the Bank of Japan next week. Next, Australian dollar. The Australian dollar moved higher today thanks to stronger than expected inflation data for the first quarter. This eased fears of more rate cuts from the RBA. But still, concerns about global trades are holding the Aussie back from rising further. And finally, euro dollar. The euro hasn't moved much this week because investors are waiting for updates from both the US Fed and the European Central Bank. The stronger US dollar, backed by high interest rates and better market sentiments, continues to weigh on the euro. So now turning into commodities. Let's have a look at the WTI crude oil. Oil prices started the week lower with worries about the trade war and a possible rise in OPEC supply. Earlier this month, output cuts were going well, but Kazakhstan may push for more production in June. And on the demand side, things still look solid. Refining margins are strong in Asia and Europe, but those margins could ease once maintenance ends. Rising outputs from Russia and weaker US factory data also putting pressure on the prices. And lastly, gold and silver. Gold has climbed to its highest level since 2015, driven by strong demand from investors looking for safety. Silver, on the other hand, is still well below its 2011 peak. Gold is easier for large investors to trade, which helps explain the difference. But still, interest in silver is growing, especially from retail investors, with ETF holdings up 40% since 2020. So that's all for today's afternoon review. Stay tuned and thank you for watching.